Good morning, everyone. How are you all? In the last class, we have learned the sound of letter S. Today, we are going to learn the sound of letter A. So, this is letter A. Mama A and baby A. A for apple. A for axe. A for ant. A for arm. A for ambulance. A for aeroplane. A for avocado. A for alligator. So the first letter is letter A and the sound is A. Now we'll listen to the story of letter A. A family are going on a picnic. The children help to pack some apples, sandwiches, and a blackberry pie. At the picnic, the children feel something tickling them. Some ants are crawling up their arms. They jump up shouting, ah, ah, ah. So the sound of letter A is ah. Now we are going to listen to the song of letter A.
Ants on my arm, ants on my arm, ants on my arm, they're causing me alarm.
Okay, the sound of letter A is A. In the next video, we are going to learn the sound of letter T. Goodbye, take care.